simplify x times x plus 2 over x squared minus 9 times x squared plus 5x plus 6 over x squared. And so to simplify this, we can see we have two fractions being multiplied by each other. What I'm going to do is I'm going to factor out everything or as much as I can, and then at the end we're going to cancel and simplify, and we'll be left with our final answer. And so here, first off, x times x plus 2. Can't really factor that. You can see the x has already been factored out. In the denominator, x squared minus 9, you can see that's a difference of squares. And so we can write this as x minus 3 times x plus 3. Over here we have this trinomial, x squared plus 5x plus 6, which can be factored into x plus 3 times x plus 2. And finally, in the denominator, x squared, well, that's a monomial. We can't really factor anything right there. So what we're left with is all of these factors. And because it's multiplication, everything in the numerator is multiplied by each other, and everything in the denominator is multiplied by each other. And so we can cancel out things even if they're one's in this fraction and one's in that fraction. So you can see here we have x plus 3 in the numerator, x plus 3 in the denominator. We can cancel those out. And we also have x, and we have x squared, and so we can cancel out a common factor of x. And so what we're left with in the numerator is these two x plus 2 terms. So we have x plus 2 times x plus 2. In the denominator, we're left with x minus 3, and one of the x's, you can know one of them has been canceled out, and so we're left with x times x minus 3, and so that's our final answer.